You can earn up to $200 every week with this website. Yes, up to $200 every week with this website. So if you are looking for a platform that can pay you in dollars every single month consistently, and you would like to watch this video to the end, do it to like and subscribe to my channel so that you can be informed every time I post a money-making video like this. And before I reveal the name of this website, I want to show you the weekly top 50 users. For this week, take a look at the top 50 users. The number one have earned $75. Number 2, 49, number 3, 27 every single week. This is a legit playing platform, and as you all know, I do make my research before bringing any website here. Now, what is the name of this website? The name of this website is JumpTax. That is the name of the website, JumpTax. So I'll leave the link to the website in the description below. So all what you have to do is go to your Chrome browser, search for JumpTax on your Chrome browser, and this is how it will show. After you input JumpTax in Google, then it will show, this is how it will be displayed on Google. Then you click on it. As you can see, JumpTax Earn for watching videos. So when you click on it, this is how the interface will look like. As you can see, JumpTax, how to earn money at JumpTax. We have about 3 steps on how to earn money. You can earn money through playing games, taking surveys, and completing other easy micro tasks to earn reward. Now, to sign up on JumpTax, you have to create a crypto wallet address. And to create a crypto wallet address is very, very easy. If you have a trust wallet, you can use. If you have other crypto address, the crypto wallet, you can use. And if you don't know how to create a crypto wallet, you can tell me in the comments down below so that I can teach you how to create one. Then after that, you have to log in with your Google or your Facebook. I like to log in with my Google because it saves time. And after you do that, the second one, you have to choose and complete a task. You have to choose and complete a task. Then find quick and easy micro tasks. Tax that can take 3 to 5 minutes. It's not a very, very big tax. And you can earn flexible anytime, anywhere. JumpTax is a platform that is based all around the world. So wherever you are, wherever you're watching me, you can simply sign up and start making money on this JumpTax. And also get paid in JumpPT reward. Also withdraw JumpPT rewards. After successfully completing choosing tax, you will earn JumpPT. This means of cryptocurrency can be withdrawn into your crypto wallet, converting your effort into a tangible digital asset. Once you complete a tax, you will get the reward in JumpPT, which will then be converted to dollars in your crypto wallet. And also extend JumpPT use. JumpPT have value beyond the platform. Trade them on exchange or even gift card. As you can see, JumpPT is even listed on exchanges. JumpPT is listed on exchange, so you can trade them for other valuable assets. Then the possibility are vast. There are even more opportunities on the horizon. So as long as you keep performing tax, be sure that you get paid. And once you get paid into your crypto wallet, you can use Binance, you can use Trust Wallet, you can use a lot of crypto wallets to connect it to your accounts and get paid. Small tax reward. And now, the first thing we are going to do now, we are going to try to sign up. I would like to sign up with my Google account. Then once I sign up with my Google account, it takes me here creating a new profile. So you can actually download the app from Play Store or Apple Store in order to claim more benefits. And as you can see here, daily claim reward, return every day to claim your bonus. If you click on this claim bonus, they will ask you to install their app. So if you have time, you can go ahead and install the app and get your daily claim bonus. So as you can see now, you can see social media tax, you can see play to earn tax, you can see watch and earn tax, you can see quick tax, you can see surveys. You can see there are a lot of multi-tax here, a lot of tax where you can earn money, where you can do the tax and earn money. Now, if we go to this place now, guys, you will see where you can link your wallet. Now, this is it here. You see where you can link your wallet. So you can download this app. This is the app that they recommend. Sakuru app. It is in Apple Play Store or Play Store. You can download the app, or you can click on Connect Wallet and connect either your Ton wallet or your Binance or any other wallet you have, guys. So you can connect your wallet, and also you can also check your activities. You can also check your activities. You can also check your rewards. And as you can see, the minimum payout is 0.5. So once you have gotten to the minimum payout, you can request for withdrawal, and your withdrawal will be paid to your account appropriately. So as you can see, guys, it says here, complete a task to earn a reward. Receive it within 72 hours. As you can see, this is where your recent payout. This is a new account, so it has no payout for now. As you can see here, guys, they also have a platform for referral. So if you are the type that knows how to refer, you can refer. This is where you copy your referral code, and anytime you refer, anytime your referral completes a task, you get 10% of the money forever, lifetime. So this is another way to earn extra cash from this platform called JumpTax. And also now let's go back to how to earn. All right, guys, so this is where you perform your tax. You can see here the social media tax, the play to earn tax, the watch and earn tax, the quick tax, the surveys, and a whole lot. You have to complete a particular tax in order to join the survey group. So in order to perform all these tax, you just have to click the one you're interested in. If it's social media tax or play to earn tax or any tax you're interested in, guys, and you have to click and follow instructions. So once you follow instructions and do things right, you'll be paid. And there's approximately 7 days, 24 hours to 7 days for you to get paid. So if you don't get paid immediately, cheat, guys. Within 7 days, you surely get paid. It's a legit trusted platform guaranteed by me. And I'll be dropping a link to my WhatsApp channel in this video. If you're having any issues, any complaint, anything you want to talk about, come there and we'll answer your question. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in my next video now to make money on internet. Bye.